Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, in the last class, Zainab, after so long, I am seeing you.
Good morning.
How is you?
Good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are we still on Scratch or are we going to another type of, we
Today,
went to the blank type of thing, no?
blank type of things means what?
Google Sheet. Like Google Sheet. I forget the name. I don't know why.
Yes. So, today we are going to start with a new chapter, and you have already attended the classes of MS Excel, and you know how to create a sheet in your documents, how you can create tables and other things, and how you handle the sheets if you are given with the vertical columns and horizontal lines, how you can align everything. Yes, somebody was saying something. Who's this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we have done a lot of in this Scratch, and we have completed all the contents that had been given to us in the Scratch programming. We have done with the various type of sprites. We have done with the costume change of sprites. We also did in the last class, I think, we did with the sprite how it helps with the pen downing thing, how we can allow our sprite to write anything. Is it so? So if still if you are facing some doubt or something, then we will do it. Otherwise, we will move to the spreadsheets. So tell me, is there anything you want me to do?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, but in the last class, I asked few of you to show me the work. Zuweria and Umar Sharif, I think, and yes, somebody is
And
ready
the
with their
letter
scratch program.
animation I did.
Both, oh, that had
Ma'am,
done.
he even asked me to show me the thing in the spreadsheet.
What?
He asked me to show me the spreadsheet, no. And I showed the spreadsheet.
Okay, we have done with the spreadsheet. We have started with the spreadsheet
Yes, ma'am.
in the last class. We were
Yeah.
doing, we might have done for a few minutes only, I think, because we were doing that pen down thing in the Scratch, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with the Scratch. Sorry, the spreadsheet. This is the Google version of Excel. And in a spreadsheet, what are the benefits of spreadsheet? Can anyone tell me? In the last class, I must have.
Ma'am, multiple people can use it at once.
Yes, multiple people can work on a spreadsheet together at one particular time. Another useful thing about a spreadsheet?
Ma'am, we
Tell
can
me.
make charts in it.
We can make charts in Excel also. But what is the difference
I
between
never have
Excel and a
used
spreadsheet?
Excel
We
or
can
spreadsheet.
collect data. We can collect data.
We can collect data in Excel also. Yes, the thing is, we can create survey. We can ask the pupil to fill the spreadsheets, and we can make the pupil to enter the data in the spreadsheet. We don't need to, in Excel, what we have to do, we have to gather the information from other people and we have to make the entries, but now pupil themselves can make the entries, right? And anything else?
Ma'am, it's really useful.
It's really useful. It's true. Um, it's more useful than Excel. That's what we are discussing. Why we are not using Excel? Why we are focusing on Google spreadsheets rather than in Excel?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Whatever you are learning, you must know about the benefits of it. Now, what is the use of that mathematics? So for spreadsheet, the most important thing is we can access our spreadsheet anywhere at any point of time, because whatever spreadsheets you are creating, that is associated with your email account and that will kept in the Google account. So you can access it anywhere. But in Excel, what you have to do, you have to
Can I share my letter animation?
just a minute. We have to, what we have to do? we have to keep our Excel worksheets saved in our PC, and with the help of pen drive or CD drive, or we can mail ourselves, and then we have to access it. So Excel is not available all throughout the world, but Google spreadsheets are available in with the help of internet. And one more important thing that we can talk about the spreadsheet is we have the spreadsheet, and since it is used for Google now, so if you are having Google Chrome with you, whenever you purchase a computer system, you have Google with you. So with the help of internet, you can go to Google, you can go to spreadsheet. But for Excel, if you are purchasing a new machine, then you have to download the software of Excel, and then only your Excel will work in your computer system, otherwise not. But for Google, you don't have to download any software inside. For your mobile phone, yes, you have to install your app of Sheet app. That's true. But in your computer or PC, you don't need to buy any software. There are some license agreements, some licensing issues are also available with MS Excel thing. But for Google, nothing is needed. Okay, so there are 4 benefits. What we have learned, that we can access it anywhere at any point of time. Many people can work together. No licensing issues are there, and we are easily access it at any device at any point of time, right? So these are the benefits, and let's move to Google.
Can I share?
Yeah, who wants to share? Saad?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You just speak up your name and then say, okay. So I'm allowing Shah to show his video right now, and then we will move forward. Yes, sir. Sad, I allowed you to share the screen.
Ma'am, you can see?
Yes, I can see. But I'm not able to see the animation into it. Yeah, play it.
Well, why it's not starting? I don't know.
You have to press flag, I think.
Yeah.
Ah, good. Good. Why don't you people make a program in which you use the pen down commands? Good, sir.
Ma'am, the pen down commands are so hard. When I try to use them, they don't even come.
They come, they will come, definitely. It's not that hard. You have to bring the
Ma'am, can you
access
show me
rotation.
how to do it?
Who is this?
Hamza. Can you show us how to use the pen down command? I've never used it before.
Why? Why you never used it before?
I never knew that was a thing. I only watched a few tutorials and then I came to know there was something known as the pen down command.
But I explained in the class. I showed you the videos.
Yeah, that's when. The exact
For
day I
5
was
minutes,
watching
I'm
them tutorials.
just working on it. You don't need to go for tutorials when I'm teaching now. You can ask me.
But still, making from tutorials is fun too.
You can have some more commands into it. So here we are in our Google, and I'm going for Scratch. Here my Scratch is
Scratch 3.0. Ma'am, is there versions of Scratch?
Yes, of course. In every 6
I
months,
never
a
knew.
new version has came in the existence. Previously, in the last year, it was 2.0.
Yeah.
Now it is 3.0.
Before it was old one.
In between, it was 2.1, 2.2 also available. So here's my stuff. Let me go to my stuff first. Actually, chalo, I'll make a program for Scratch. Okay, do it fast. We will go to event first. We will take when flag is claimed. Then we will go. Everyone, please focus. If somebody has not attended or missed out something, you have to go to add extension. You have to take this pen command. You will get a set of pen blocks, right? Okay, what you did, you will go with this add extensions, and with add extension, you will select this thing, which is pen commands. These are the set of blocks that helps you to work on pen, and you get these all blocks over there. So now what we will do, I'll just take pen down, and I'll go to code again, and I'll make him rotate, give a motion, and the motion is for 15 degrees.
Ma'am, what is this pen down?
Pen down is allow the sprite to write something.
Go.
We have to keep it in a loop, otherwise it won't
Now,
work.
what does pen down do?
Pen down allows our sprite to write something according to our choice, and as designer, web can be created with the help of this sprite. And that is the point.
Now, what will it write?
So you can make a drawing.
It will make a drawing. It will make a web kind of a structure. Different kind of patterns you can create with it.
Ma'am, that's
Pen.
not a repeating command. If dash then. I think
Oh, yeah,
if
sorry.
dash then.
I'll go with a forever loop.
You can even do repeat.
No, I'm going.
And
with the
forever loop is dangerous. You cannot stop it after it starts.
Yeah, but I'll stop it with the red button.
Yeah, you can. The power of the red button is like the red infinity stone. You can stop time. Reality can stop.
Yeah. So now let's see.
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am,
to
not
ask
writing
him.
anything.
What?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sorry.
Not writing anything.
See,
Yeah,
ma'am, I
it's not
used these
writing.
commands. It didn't work properly. This even happened with me.
No, no, no.
I
it will-
didn't
it will-
move
it will.
forward.
Just give me a minute.
But we have to make it move first, then it can write.
But it does not even have a pen in his hand. How will he write with his head?
With a invisible pen. Don't worry.
Okay.
Please click to name. It writes with the help of this pen command. Why is not doing it? Let me check it out.
Ma'am, but
See,
what
ma'am,
will
it
it write? Ma'am,
It
first
will
I guess you
draw
have
a
to do
pattern.
set.
It will write this line. If I am rotating the sprite, this circular line will be created. If I put
Ma'am.
it in a particular degree, then it will
Ma'am,
create a
move
line
it.
till that particular degree. So it will just
Ma'am.
draw a web, a pattern. He can't write A, B, C, D. He is going to write the pattern.
Ma'am,
If
put
you-
glide seconds to random position.
Yeah. We can glide it for.
And
random
then even
position.
write
Go
bounce
to
on edge.
random position.
Yeah, ma'am. Even write a bounce on edge. That would be really fun.
And there is go to random position there. Maybe
Yeah,
that will
there
work.
are go to random positions also. It's true. Let's take some.
Ma'am, down. No.
Let's see what is happening. It's truly over. It happens with this command only. Happens.
Ma'am, maybe
See.
it was a glitch.
See, a circle he can write.
Oh, so can you make him okay? Can you change the color, ma'am?
Yeah, of
Ma'am,
course.
put
We can set the pen
Glide
color.
to random position.
You can ask.
That will be
You people are playing with him.
Ma'am,
You will play at
Yeah,
home.
that's
Yes.
ma'am. That is what Scratch is all about. Playing with the poor
Sprite.
little cat. and
Playing with
asking
the
him to do
sprite.
whatever.
Yes, true. Playing with the
Yeah.
sprite. Yes. Sad, why you want the access to my screen? Tell me
Ma'am, I
what you
did
want
not
to do.
Ma'am, I did not access.
A request came in. Request was shown in my screen.
Ma'am, I did not ask request.
Oh, fine. Wanted to glide.
Ma'am.
Let
Ma'am, it was me because it was by mistake click.
no.
Ma'am, when I was pressing the view option and when I was pressing the zoom ratio, it pressed into the request remote control.
No. Let's bring it here. And Abivo Esa.
Ma'am, you told my name or Shan's name?
Oh, sorry. It may be I'm just jumble up the names. No
Okay.
problem. That's okay. I declined the request. No issues. See, in gliding, a kind of a
Ma'am,
web is
look
created
this.
over.
Ma'am, look when the sprite is working, these commands get blurred.
Yes, when because it is highlighted, na, this much command is working. That's why it happens. Now we have to stop it and then we can go to something else. So in the next class, you people create something with the sprite using pen commands and show me in the class. Until then, we will complete our spreadsheet and the spreadsheet will be completed today itself. Okay, so shall we proceed now?
Ma'am,
Let's see, we can erase it also. Yes, Zainab.
ma'am, I have made a game with Scratch.
Okay, very good. You want to show it? Show me. So I'm leaving this now, and we have done with all the content of Scratch available with our book. So now we will move to something else. Just I'm giving 5 minutes with Zainab so that she could share her game. Yes, Zainab, sure.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Ma'am,
whoa.
I made it with the help
What is
of
this
a
sound?
YouTube video.
Is someone making the sound or the sound is with the Zainab's game?
That the chirping sound is in my game.
Okay.
And then if I hit the egg, it stops and shows the score. And then if I press the flag again, it allows me to start from the starting.
Ma'am, you know the game Snake Alexandria?
No.
I made that game. But everything
Ma'am,
erased.
I was searching
So
something
this is
on.
bad. That's bad.
I
That's
made
bad. Why you
4
erase your
games.
content? So you have to keep
No,
it in your
ma'am.
account now. I have
I
told you.
lost it.
So you
I made
couldn't
4
now.
games.
I already told you all that how to save your game and keep it in your account. Why you people are not keeping
No,
them in
ma'am.
your account?
Ma'am,
That's your
3
hard
years
work.
back I did that.
Now again, create something, keep it with you because in next
Ma'am,
classes,
but maybe it will be there. Maybe.
it will
In
be
the
there.
it's in the computer. I am using
No,
the
no,
laptop.
it won't be in your computer. It will be in your account. The account you will be associated with the Zoom meeting. Sorry, this is Scratch programming. I asked you to create an account. You've seen
Yes.
that I have logged in my account. In the same way, if you logged in your account, then you will access all the things that you have already made in the Scratch. Okay, and see why I want you people to keep these things with you, because in upcoming classes also, in next class and next to next class, we will be practicing Scratch till class 8. So we will have some different commands, we will have some more and more into it, and then we will move to Python in class 7th or 8th or 9th something, 8 whatever. So keep your records ready with you. Yes, Zueri, was you saying something to me? There was someone saying ma'am, but I hold it that. Yes, Sehan, tell me.
No.
You raised your hand?
By mistakenly happened.
Oh, fine. So now let's go to the spreadsheets. If somebody had not attended the last class, then it will be helpful to them. And everyone start doing in your computer system with me. And as soon as I complete my work, I'm going to check all of yours screen and you have to share and show. Okay, so don't cheat today. So now go ahead with it. Go to your screen. I'm sharing it with you. I have to close this Scratch or else I can go to a new tab. I'm coming with a new tab, and here I have to go to my, here it is. Can you people see there are 9 dots just before my account's name? They are the Google apps. You can see a button, icon, which is known as Google Apps. Are you able to see in the rightmost corner, top part? So you just have to click into it and go to Sheets. As soon as you go to the Sheets, see, this kind of a screen you can see. You have so many sheets with you. These are the sheets that is already been saved in your PC for you people. But now you are going to make a new sheet for yourself. So you are going to click into this plus. When you click this plus sign, you will come in this position. See, this is a kind of Excel sheet, and mind it, you all are going to use a spreadsheet only, not the Excel sheet. Okay, so everyone go into it. And if you people are using your mobile phone instead of laptop or PC, then what you are going to do? First of all, you have to download. Yes, sir. Why you are making faces? I can see your 32 hours. Anyways,
I'm
so
thinking.
what you have to do, the very first thing is you have to download the Sheet app in your mobile phone. Okay, so that is available with Play Store. So see, I have already downloaded the Sheet app in my mobile phone. So let me show you. This is the icon.
Ma'am, you have been signed out. You must
Has been
sign in
signed out.
again to section. Yeah, ma'am, look at the computer, laptop, or whatever you're using.
And what we have to make in a spreadsheet?
I'm going to tell. First, just have a look into my mobile phone, and here you can see this icon, and this icon is the sheet icon that is available in your mobile phones. That this was the sheet that you have to download in your mobile phone.
Ma'am, can
As
you show again?
as soon as you will go to the sheet app, this will open in your device. Oh, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, and if I am going to open it in my mobile phone, because that's my this thing email ID, so in two devices, if I'm logging in, it is asking the permission. That's why it was happening. No problem. So you can go to the sheet in your mobile phone also, and there also you can find this plus sign. You can see in the um, at rightmost corner. In the rightmost corner, you can see a plus sign over there, and that plus sign you have to click into it, and you will be given that choose a template or new spreadsheet icon will be there. So if you people are doing together with me, then that will be easily accessible. And thereafter, you have to choose new spreadsheet in your mobile phone. A little difference is there with the Sheet app and with the Google spreadsheets available with the laptop. Then again, the same screen is visible to you in your mobile phone as well. So is there someone who is using mobile phone? Just let me know so that I can help you with the
Mom,
phone.
I'm using mobile phone.
Who is this?
Julia.
Surya. And anyone else?
Ma'am,
Anyone else is using
ma'am,
mobile
I
phone?
use Google Sheets to write down what I did in class.
Sorry.
I use Google Sheets to write down what I did in class. Every day I write the day and the date, and then under
Okay.
it I draw. I mean I write subject, video,
Okay.
subject, and then
Mhm.
I write the subject of the day. Like suppose today's I'll do Wednesday,
Just a
15th
second. Just a second.
December.
Zubedia, do you have a Sheet app in your phone? And whosoever is using mobile phones, are you people have
No,
Sheet app
ma'am,
in your
I'll
mobile
download
phone?
it after.
Otherwise, you people download it. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Continue.
Uh, so like suppose for today I'll write Wednesday, 15th December, and then under it I'll write subject, and then the first subject of the day was SDG, so I'll write SDG, and then I'll write
Got it.
chapter name, and I'll write
Yeah, you are making a
what the
diary
chapter
note
name.
kind of thing in this spreadsheet. That's good. That's always helpful for
Yes.
you so that you can analyze that what happened in the last class. That's good, Aisha. So I hope you are able to do the spreadsheet work. but still, let's see if I can show you some more new features. Omar Sharif, what are you using? Is this your mobile phone or your laptop? Zara Kazi, I think you are there with your laptop.
I'm using my laptop.
Okay. And what about Sara Khatri? Where is she? She is using a mobile phone. Sara Khatri, are you there? Sara Khatri, are you there? Anyways. So now what we are going to do?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
why your phone is your camera is
I'm
on?
not using mobile.
You are using laptop.
I'm on laptop.
Okay, fine. So now you are having spreadsheets with you. Zuberia, did you get the spreadsheet in your mobile phone? Yes, Zuberia, did you get the spreadsheet? Had you opened the spreadsheet in your mobile phone?
I'm still downloading.
Okay, fine. When you are done,
No, ma'am,
you
I
are
did not download it.
when
And
you
we have to
came in
open the
this
spreadsheet?
page, yeah, you have to open the spreadsheet. When you came in this page, then let me know. I'll help you again. Okay. So now create a table into it, and for creating a
Ma'am,
table,
what am I right to download?
go in the Play Store and write spreadsheets. So it will show you the icons of the sheets, and I've shown you the icon of the sheet, and just select that.
Yeah.
Go to Play Store.
Ma'am, in my PC there is Excel.
Don't go to Excel. That is a already downloaded software into it. But I showed you now how you are going to go for the spreadsheet through your Google account. Access it
Yes.
in the Google search box, and there you will find 9 dots.
Okay.
From that, you have to go
in
to
the
spreadsheet.
I'm in the laptop. I
In the-
should open it from Google only.
Yes, you have to open
Ma'am,
from
I
Google.
have the Excel app on my laptop. Should I use that or should I
No,
use
no. Go with the spreadsheet. I want you to learn about how to access a spreadsheet, how to work in spreadsheets. I don't want you to use Excel because Excel you have already done. See here with this 9 dots, here you will find 9 dots over here. From this 9 dots, you need to go to the sheets. Okay, go to sheets. Everyone has to use sheets only, not Excel. Because sheets are the latest software that we have to learn and we have to use it. That's really helpful in day-to-day life. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Now
What
click into
do
the
I
plus
do?
sign. It's
Yeah,
right
ma'am,
in the
I opened
rightmost
it.
corner.
Ma'am, it is
down.
saying create account.
So you might not have attended, take it from your Google account. Why don't you use your Google account to go to this?
Okay.
You-
Can I share my screen and you help me out?
Okay, just a moment. Yeah, share. Zuberia, where are you now?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm with you only.
Okay. Have you
Yeah, I
click
opened
into
the
the plus
spreadsheet.
sign over there?
Yeah, ma'am, and I got a news sheet.
You got the new spreadsheet. Now
Ma'am, look.
create a table into it.
Ma'am,
The table headings will be name, age, weight, and height. And randomly put some names, some ages, some height, and some weight of your choice. Or
ma'am,
yeah,
should I
And
do
what
sign
name
up with
is
Google?
and height, right?
height and weight.
Height
Should
and
I
weight.
do
Okay.
sign up with
Name.
Google?
No. Yeah, sign up with Google, right? Sign up with Google. Finding you in somewhere else.
Email or phone? Again.
What happened? Hamza, are you able to do now? So just create a table.
MP40 my goal is
I don't know how to write in it.
Yes, no problem. What you will go, Zuveria, click into a cell. click into any cell,
Okay, did that.
click. Now you will find FX or somewhere
What?
in
What?
the down
FS?
part. As soon as you click into the cell, you find in the bottom part, you will find a line which is written FX, enter text or formula. Are you able to see that?
No, ma'am.
In the below part,
Share screen.
just a minute. So are you able to see my screen, my phone screen? Is it visible? Just a minute. Is it visible to you? Can you see this FX part just below 2 lines?
Ma'am, we have also
Above the
have
quad
to
tree keypad?
write what you are writing here with you.
Yes. Are you able to see, Zuberian? Can you see this FX part out here? Here.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank
It's
you.
there in your mobile phone also. There you have to write something. That will paste in the cell that you have selected. Got it?
Ma'am, what all
Wait a
things
minute.
we have to write?
Just
Name is
No, I'm
height
writing.
and
Suveria, are you able to do that now? Write the random names,
I wrote
whatever name
name
you
and
like. It's
age.
not like you have to repeat my names only. You can write any name,
Okay.
any age, any weight, any. It's up to your choice.
Okay.
ma'am, can we write hour?
Any. Yours will be the only one entry. I need 5 entries here.
Means
See properly, then you will able to understand. This is the second entry. If you are writing yours, that will be 1 entry. I'm doing the second entry now. So second entry. Then the third entry. In this way, we need 5 names, and these names would be of your choice. The ages would be of your choice. The height and weight would be of your choice. Zuberia, are you able to create the table now?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm on name. I've written one name. I'm gonna write
It's
more.
fine. It's fine. You can write anybody's name.
How many do I have to write?
5 entries I need.
Okay.
So
Ma'am,
yes.
I'm not able to open the spreadsheet. Ma'am, I
Who is
signed in,
this?
but ma'am is sad.
Wait just a minute, sir.
Can I show
Okay, I'm
you
stop
what
sharing my screen and you share yours. I'll help you.
okay. Ma'am, look this one.
Yeah.
Now what should I do?
No. Here you come. Okay, cross it off. Cross it off. Workbook. Why it is workbook over here? Are you
Ma'am,
using
I told you
iPad?
I
It's
am
an
in a
Apple. It's an Apple device.
No,
Even mine is
I
showing this.
don't. No, ma'am, this is Lenovo.
So I know then why it's. Whose software is this? This is spreadsheet.com. I didn't want you to go to the
Yeah.
spreadsheet.com. I want you people to go to Google. Even we can open in this workbook also, no problem. You can go with this plus new workbook.
Ma'am, this
Go
is
into
big.
this.
Amit, तेरी हाइट क्या है?
Ma'am, this is big.
तेरी
Hey,
हाइट क्या है?
Sarah, behave yourself. Write random data. I'm not asking you to create and ask everybody's height, weight, and make the entries.
Okay, now
These
where
are the
should I
random
go?
entries.
Okay.
Yeah, here, what is this?
Ma'am, I opened new tab.
Ma'am, this is big.
Just a minute, beta, just a minute. It's not a Google tab, I think. Is it a Google tab?
Ma'am, it's Microsoft Edge.
Yes, this is not Google. I need you to go to the Google. You have to go to the Google. Either you go to the Gmail account or you go to your Google search engine. Okay, don't go with the Microsoft
Okay.
engine. That's why the softwares are different.
Okay, ma'am.
Every company creates their own software. So for now we are using Google. More or less the functions are same. If you learn one function, then you will be able to access it in any kind of thing. But let's go together. Okay, go to the Google. Show me your screen. I'll help you.
Yeah. Share screen. Yeah, ma'am, what should I do now?
Yes. Here you can see the nine dots just before your name, just before your account. No, down.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah,
hand side,
this
right corner, down, 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 a little down, side, a little down. Can you see? Yes, these 9 dots. Oh, no, sorry. Down. That's a 3 dots. Just a little down,
Oh,
below
this
cross.
one?
There is S again. See, here is the S
Yeah.
again.
This,
Yes.
yes.
Just go right hand
Okay.
side, right, left to it. Yes. Click into it and go to sheets. Okay,
Ma'am,
scroll
where?
down, scroll down, scroll down.
Okay, one. Yeah, yeah.
Scroll down.
I
Scroll.
got
No, that's neat. Scroll down. Scroll down, Vita.
Oh,
Scroll down.
okay.
It's down. It is available in down part. Yeah. Just wait. Stop. Stop. You're not listening to me, sir. Scroll up. Scroll up. Sad, scroll up. Sad is hanged up, I think. Yes, Sad, scroll up.
Ma'am,
Scroll a
are
little
there
up.
any shapes in Excel, this Google
Yeah, she, no, ma'am, above Hangouts.
Just a little. Yes, above Hangouts. Go up. Yeah, no, yeah, there.
This
See,
one?
green color. Yeah, that's the sheets. Click into it.
Yeah. Ma'am, what should I? Welcome.
Ma'am,
Take a
are
two.
there any
I
No,
cross it out.
cross it down. Just a second, Vita. Just a second.
Yeah.
Let me finish with Sat, then I'll come to the second. Go to this plus sign, the first icon, plus sign.
Yeah.
Click into it.
Okay.
Now start
Yeah, I
creating the
got
table. Stop sharing. Yes, who
Yeah.
was asking something to me?
me, Aisha Kazi, are there any shapes in the spreadsheet?
Yes, everything that you do with the Excel, that all things are available.
But
with the
I
spreadsheet.
can't find any shapes here.
Okay. If I go to insert, I can take cells, rows, column sheets, tables.
Ma'am, can we put the age any number?
Yeah, any number. Any number.
Name Alan. Name Alan Alexinara Mahi.
Okay, Aisha, if you want to draw something in Excel, actually what happened, Excel is a sheet. The spreadsheet is a kind of a software which helps in accounting thing. What we need in accounting and table manipulation or data interpretation, we normally needs names, we normally needs data, and we need the access, we need to the tools that helps us to assess these sheets. So the tools are the charts, the calculators. So these are the things that are available with this. Still, if you need some drawings, some like shapes as in a square, rectangle, then you can even download it from the internet and paste it over here. No problem with that. You can even copy it from some other file and paste it over here. Okay.
Yeah.
It is not provided.
Ma'am, I made two
I made 2 charts. So should I share my
Charts,
screen?
charts we can see, see Aisha, there is drawing tools also available in these spreadsheets. That what you are asking to me, it is in the insert part, that is drawing written into it. And here you can draw a line and you can take this line to the, see a box is there, no. Okay. Just a moment. You can draw a line over here. You can save
Ma'am,
in-
I'm done with my Excel.
you have done with that. This is a spreadsheet. Actually, the one problem with the spreadsheet is whenever you do anything, you have to wait because it is doing in using your internet data. So see, if I'm saving this drawing, what is happening? My drawing is saving and I have to wait for a minute so that my drawing will be saved properly. Because it is using the mobile data. No?
Me again how to save because
Sorry,
I was in another screen, so I could not save.
sorry, Zuveria, what you say?
Can you show me how to save again? Because I was not in this screen. I was doing my sheet, so I could not save.
Zuveria, whatever you are doing in your mobile phone,
Ma'am?
it will be saved in your account itself. You don't need to save
Yeah,
it again and again.
So it will get saved automatically.
Yes, it will save automatically. Now let me finish with this, what I am teaching, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes.
our own age, height, and weight. Can you put our own age and height? Or
Yeah,
should
yeah,
we copy down what you write?
any. It does not matter to me.
Okay.
Any. Okay.
I put all different.
Mhm.
Like
It's random data because we are
Hi.
going to learn how we can draw a chart with the help of this table. How we can use the data and how we can analyze the data. So I want only the random data from people. So let's take one more. It's what some name? Let's say courage is 20. Let's see. Actually, why I'm asking you not to use your friends' data, because you will laugh at it, you will mimic it. So it's not good.
Ma'am, I wrote random
Aisha,
data.
I think I cleared up your doubt or not.
Ma'am, I put
We will come with the
random
drawing
data.
tools again. But
Yeah,
for
ma'am.
now, let's do it. So what you have to do next, everyone has done with the table now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the table. How you are going to select it? Let me tell you. First, choose a cell from where you want to select. With your two hands, take your one hand and arrow keys and keep your one finger on the shift key. So with the help of one finger, you are going to press shift key, and with the help of the other hand, and you are going to press the arrow key. So I want to select the cell's right hand side. So I will press the right arrow key. Then I want the down buttons, down cells. So I'm dropping down I'm taking the down arrow key, and hence I've selected the content. As soon as you did this, listen to me properly, let me finish the steps, then I'll definitely help you, assist you everyone. Then what we have to do, we have to insert, and what we want to insert, we want to insert a chart and see a working note came. So I have to wait for a while so that a chart will come. And here is the chart that I was expecting about the data I'm having. And as you crop the photographs, you need to crop this chart also. So rest all things that you have learned in Excel, the same thing you can follow. One more important thing. See, in the right hand side, you can see various type of content over here. So I can change the chart type. I can even take this bubbly chart. I can even take I can change the axis. I can take ages in the vertical and the names in the horizontal one, any type I want. I can take various kind of charts like line charts, bar charts, column charts, pie charts. It's all up to me. I can add on any kind of features into it. Okay. So now tell me who is having what problem. In Zuveria, you would be needing an assistant. So will you share your screen to me? I'll help you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Can I, after Juveria, can I also share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
There's something wrong with my thing.
Definitely. I'll help you. Zainab, is it comfortable with you? Are you able to do it?
Internet went and came, so I don't know what happened the last time.
Sorry, I can't hear you properly. Please speak
I
clearly.
got the same as you, ma'am. I was.
Internet went and came back, so I don't know what happened last time the next.
No problem. Zuveria, the screen should be open now. How you have to go? Okay, chalo. Show me. Yes. So now you have here. You just drag it so that you will just don't reduce the size. Don't reduce the size, Peter. Just select the table. Yes, select it till the top. Select it till the top. Select it till the top. Yeah. Select it. Select the table first. Yes. Drag it to the right, left, so that the selection will be all the table. Yes. Do it. Yes. Stop. Now, don't. Can you see a plus sign all around? I'm not able to see the whole screen. Here should be a plus sign in the top part around A. There is A written over there, na? There must be a plus sign over there. Is it there? A plus sign? Can you find a plus sign anywhere?
Ma'am,
I can see, I can read a lot of your messages.
I don't know what happened.
Just a minute, I'm coming to
Ma'am,
others also.
I finished.
Let me see the
making it.
Zuberia's thing first. Zuberia, you have selected the whole sheet. Come back.
You're done? Mama,
Zuberia, click into any random cell. Any random cell, you will come out of the
Okay,
selection
ma'am.
part.
yeah, done.
Ma'am,
Now,
I
just,
finished
When I
making
select
it.
it,
okay.
Now
Create a
should
chart.
should I save it?
You don't need to save. It will automatically save itself. You just create the chart now. Yes.
So I could just close the tab.
No, don't need to close the tab. You have to create a chart now. Create a chart by selecting the table. I showed you how to create.
Ma'am, this one which you made now, I made that.
Okay, so create the chart. Have you created the chart?
Yes. Ma'am, I
Zuveria,
created this.
something is happening. Don't select this 1, 2, 3, 4 and ABC. Just select the content only.
Ma'am, this one I made.
Saad, Zuveria is already there with the screen.
Okay.
Don't
Ma'am,
share, it
just
will
say
hang up.
It is okay. Ma'am, just say if it's okay. If this okay.
Is this yours, Saad?
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
And Zuveria and you both are making same thing.
no, ma'am.
No.
Well, that what I'm sharing is mine.
This
And
is
Saad,
the screen that I am seeing is the Juveria's screen. And Saad, wait for
No,
a
this
while.
is mine.
But it's
this is
shown me
mine.
in the top position that it is Juveria's screen.
Okay.
Just wait for a minute, Saad. Wait for a minute, okay? Zuveria, okay, can you see a plus sign out somewhere? Okay, click into the 3 dots. Different phones have different features. They are differently
yeah, ma'am.
compatible.
Ma'am, now what?
No, go back. Is this the sheet only that we were talking about? The green one?
Ma'am, this
I think you went to some other software or else. Sheet must be
no,
there.
ma'am,
with
this
you.
is
Okay, can you press this
Yeah.
up arrow in the downside of your device? Yeah, this up arrow,
this one.
the up arrow in the downside.
Oh, ma'am, I got that plus sign.
You got the plus sign? Yeah. No, no,
Yeah,
no, no, not
can
this,
see.
not this, not this, not this one. This
Oh.
is the new spreadsheet. That is for the new
Okay.
spreadsheet.
Oh,
I don't want
ma'am,
that.
I found it. See, at the down, you see?
No, that is also not needed. That is for new sheet. This plus
Oh,
sign
that
is
is
for
also
new sheet. You have to choose the data first, and when you choose the data, then a plus sign is shown in the screen itself. That will help you to create the chart. It happens in my phone. And in the last class, it happens with the student's phone also. There is a plus sign near A. There you are, here is A. Okay, can you press this up arrow? Just downside of your screen.
which up arrow?
In the rightmost bottom corner.
Right now.
Yes.
Uh,
Click that up arrow, please.
I can't find. Oh, this one. Yeah.
Just a little down. Can I see how many options are given here? Little down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. See, so many options are available. Yeah, just slowly, slowly, slowly. Here you will find chart, I think. Slowly and see slowly and just go. Select the table. Your table selection is not done. Select the table and then see these options.
Select rand.
No, no, no. Select the
The
table.
bottom.
Don't click here. Your selection is moved. No? You have to select your content first.
Yeah, selected.
Now press this up arrow.
Okay.
Now see, can you find a chart kind of thing somewhere? Just
Chart?
scroll down up. Do something.
No.
Find select range. Down, down.
No, ma'am.
No chart is there. Did you went till the end?
No. Yeah, ma'am. This is the end.
Okay. Down arrow to home. Yeah, there is two arrows up and down, just near to
Oh,
home.
that one.
Press this
This
up arrow.
one?
There is two arrows home. This one. Yeah, see insert is here. Click into insert.
Okay. Done.
See
Now what?
down you will find a chart. Scroll down.
Chart. Yeah, found chart.
Now you can create the chart. Right? Now Saad, Zubaida, stop sharing and chart show me. Saad, show me yours.
After that, I'll show.
Ma'am, I decided to make a big, more big one. I'm not completed it.
Completed, then show.
Screen.
Hamza, show me your screen.
Fine.
I'll help you. What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Just in a second. I'll just
Ma'am,
share my screen.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Who's this? Zubaida.
Aisha.
Aisha. Yes, I am able to hear
Yes,
you. Yes, tell me, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I did
ma'am.
this really random chart.
Actually, what happened
And
is,
then I made
Hamza, you have taken this lol is such a big number that it is taking it in the exponent form. That is why your chart looks weird.
Yes, ma'am. I did it on purpose. That's why.
Yeah, so you created a very weird data, so the chart would be look like a weird thing only, no?
Yeah, and all these WASD is so small because the LOL's number is so big, it's going till the sky, till the moon. That's why these guys are not even visible.
So what's weird about it? You were saying something is happening, something is not happening. This is because of your data only.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Then
ma'am.
leave it.
See, when over here in this line, there is nothing. I
Let me
clicked
tell
on this
you
line and started from this line.
how you people get. Have you heard about this
See, ma'am. See, ma'am.
census? Show me what you want to.
Ma'am, see, it automatically went down. I didn't do anything, and it automatically
No,
went
you have
down.
started from the fourth cell only. That's why it is happening, beta. What you want? If you want to
Means-
remove, you want to remove it.
Yes,
You want
ma'am.
to remove it. Select.
ma'am.
Bring your arrow to 1 and 2. Bring your arrow to 1. No, 1, 1. Little left, little left, little left. 1. Yeah. Click into it. Click into it. No, click into 1.
This one.
1. Click. Click. Yes. Now click right. There is 2 buttons below the touchpad. Click into the right button. Are
Ma'am,
you
which
using
button?
mouse? Are you using mouse or touchpad?
Mouse.
Okay. So there, click right. Right click. Right button. दो button in the
Okay.
mouse में. So click into the right button.
When I click into the right button, this happens. Yes,
Click into
ma'am.
the
See,
right
this
button.
happened.
Click into the right button. Yes. Delete.
I'm right clicking.
Yeah. Select delete. No. Arey, कहाँ
Where
चले
is
गए?
it?
Delete
Oh,
row.
this one?
Delete row. Delete row. Yes, below. Delete row.
clicked it.
Yes, click delete row. See your row
Yeah, I
went out.
clicked.
Now again click it.
No, no,
Your row will went
it
out.
did not. See,
It did. Delete row
in my
again.
screen showing is still there.
Delete row. Delete row. You will get it. Delete.
This one.
See. तुम्हारा ऊपर हो गया ना डेटा तुम्हारी वो तो 1 2 3 4 ही नंबर देगा.
Yes, got it.
Got it? Sure. Yes.
Now we have my
Aisha, you were
calculators.
saying something. Tell me, beta. Stop sharing, Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha, what do you want? I think some of the
And ma'am?
students left the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because it's already 12 o'clock.
So it's okay. It's 1 o'clock. And
Yeah,
still
ma'am, 1
waiting.
o'clock.
So you
Yeah,
people are
ma'am.
so hungry.
Can I show you one more thing?
Can
I'll
I
show you
share?
one more thing.
Just a minute. Where is Aisha?
Ma'am, see, in
Let's see.
Scratch, no, I use the pin down command, and when I'm using it, I have no size changed. But still, when I green click it, this happens. Now, if I change it to wait, now if I change it to completely red, see, when I click the green flag, it turns into completely red. Why did that happen? Ma'am?
Pen down
Actually,
after.
what happened? You set the pen color to red, and then you rotate the sprite, and then you gave a pen to the sprite. And after giving the pen, you didn't ask the sprite to do anything.
Ma'am, I
So
asked this right
he
to
is
turn
having
around.
a pen in his hand, but he is not writing anything because you did not ordered him. And since you have already selected a color, so it
Ma'am,
वो
like
पूरा
this?
ना फैल गया है कलर उसका क्योंकि तुमने उसको कलर दे दिया ना तो बेचारे को लिखने को तो दिया नहीं.
So,
So it is spread
so
all
ma'am,
over.
how do you write? Give him a command to write.
Pen down, turn to 15 degree, repeat twice. So
Put
it will
pen
just
down
repeat 2
before.
times. So it is not visible. Make it repeat
Yeah.
15 times or 30 times. Then you can at least see anything happening. 2 times is such a little, na? So you can't even see. It is just hide
Ma'am,
behind the spread.
I finished making it.
I mean, okay, wait, sorry, wait, yeah.
Ma'am, I finished making it.
Okay, good, sir. You
Can
can
I
leave.
share my screen?
Yeah, yes. If you want to show,
See,
I'll do.
ma'am. See, ma'am,
I
ma'am. Did
want
you
to
see?
save it. Ma'am, I want
See,
to
ma'am,
save
see.
it.
It turned completely blue.
Ma'am, how should I save it?
क्या कर रहे हो भाई? ऐसा मेरे से तो नहीं होता था. Sad, it automatically saved by itself. You just have to give
Okay.
the name it fit.
Should I just close
Ma'am.
the tab directly?
Ma'am, I'll add pen size to 1. And
Just a
then
minute.
turn
I
it
can't
around.
handle with the 2 people together. Just a minute, Sad. Let me
Ma'am.
finish him. Finish the work with him. Then I'll coming to you. Just 5 minutes. What happened?
See, ma'am, nothing is happening now. Now nothing is happening. When I change this above to like 10, then maybe it will happen. See. All it does is this. No, let me change
See.
it to.
At least a green color circle has been created. See?
Okay, wait, ma'am. Now I'm gonna
Done?
do it till 100.
Okay, now
I'm
you
gonna do
practice
it
it by
till-
your own. Other people are also waiting, Hamza. Stop sharing.
Yes,
You
that
got
is
it
better.
now. Your problem is solved now. Now you do by
Bye,
yourself.
ma'am.
Okay? See.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
sure.
Sahan. Ma'am, can I leave?
Ma'am,
now?
should I
Yeah,
leave?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
okay.
Bye, Sahan. You can leave. Zahra Ghazi, have you understood, bacha?
Ma'am,
Everyone whosoever wants to leave, they can leave. Yes. Ah,
how
good,
should I
good
save
table.
it?
You just create a chart out of it. Yes, Sahan, you can leave it. And how you are going to, you see, start in Google spreadsheet, everything saved by itself. You don't need to save it. Just the thing is, you can change the name. You can rename the name by going to file command. Go to the file tab,
Ma'am, this.
file tab, go to the file
Ma'am,
tab.
from here.
Yes,
From
click-
here can I?
yes. Now you can change the name, but you don't need to save it again and again. It will save it by itself. Just you can do one more thing. If you click this My Drive, so the data will be saved in your drive. That's the only difference. But you don't need to save it again and again. It will be always there associated with your account. Okay. In the Sheet
Okay.
software, as you have your projects in the Scratch software now, in the same way in the Sheet
Yes.
software, everything will be stored over there. You can even share your
Okay.
links to the pupil, other pupil, and they can also access the same sheet again and again. No problem with that.
Okay.
Okay. That you
Okay, so
have
now
not
I can
created
close
a chart.
this.
Create the chart with this.
Ma'am, which chart?
I've shown you. You
This
have to
only,
select the content of the table and go to the insert and select the chart over there.
Ma'am, what kind of chart? I made this one.
Select the table.
Table, where's the table? Ma'am, you're muted.
The data you have created. Saad, you have created a data now. Just select
Yes.
the data.
Where is the data?
This Alan. Click. Okay, you have this now.
Yes.
Press your
Can
shift.
you annotate the screen?
Anupam ma'am, hello, Dawood here.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
You want to
said-
do it for next week now?
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah, sure, sure. So I was just clearing
Yeah,
up the
yeah, I
doubts with the student.
Okay, no, good. Right. Thank you
Okay.
so much, ma'am.
Zubairi can leave if she wants to leave.
And this data.
This data, beta. See, no. Don't go to data over there.
Ma'am, annotate
No,
on my
no.
screen.
Okay, just a minute. Leave it. Leave that.
Okay.
Just a second. Zahra, if you want to leave, you can leave, beta. Sarah, you can leave. I'm just I'm just clearing the things with the Sarah. Okay. Zara, but I want to see your content in the next class. Okay. You're going to show me now. Sarah and Zara, you can leave. Bye-bye.
Ma'am, you're annotating.
I'm looking into it. Just a minute. See, Sar, now what you will do, go to Ellie. I'm guiding you. You just do it. Go to Ellie.
Ellie. Ellie?
No, your data. You have written the names now. You have written the names.
Yes.
Click into one name. Click into any name. One name.
Okay.
Alan. Okay. Click into the Alan.
Yeah, I click.
Click.
Huh?
Click into the Alan.
Okay.
Yes. Now put your finger in the shift button and put another finger in the right arrow. And
that-
select.
In the what? Shift and?
Shift and right arrow
Shift and right tab.
together.
tab.
together.
Okay.
Don't remove your finger.
Shift
शिफ्ट
tab.
बटन
Okay.
पे फिंगर को रखे रहो, उसको दबाए रखना, छोड़ना मत, और फिर राइट एरो प्रेस करो.
Okay. Right arrow. Okay.
क्लिक क्लिक.
I did that.
नहीं हो रहा. क्लिक क्लिक.
Nothing is
Shift.
happening.
शिफ्ट को छोड़ना मत, शिफ्ट को प्रेस किए रखो और राइट एरो को दबाओ. आई वॉन्ट यू टू सेलेक्ट दिस कंटेंट. एलेक्स ना ये बाहर आ गया, अभी वापस आओ, किसी और सेल पे क्लिक करो. क्लिक इनटू एनी सेल ऑफ योर चॉइस. किसी अभी वापस एलन. हाँ अभी करो, वापस एलन पे जाओ. एलन पे जाओ.
Right arrow.
एलन
Okay.
पे जाओ पहले. एलन पे जाओ पहले. ना
Okay. Shift right arrow.
एरो कीज ना, तुम ये
Oh, okay, that one.
एरो, अप एरो,
Okay,
डाउन एरो,
now I
राइट
get
एरो, बैक एरो.
Yeah.
राइट एरो.
Right arrow.
अभी वापस एलन पे जाओ पहले. हाँ देन
Right arrow. Yeah,
हाँ.
this.
हाँ अभी और राइट एरो. शिफ्ट को प्रेस किए रखो और राइट एरो दबाओ, फिर तुम उसके अंदर चलो. एक और किसी सेल पे जाओ. एक और
Shift. Keep on pressing shift.
ना just a minute. Undo it. See, you have
Okay.
two arrows.
Yeah, I'm doing this one. The on the keys, na? Or on the mouse. There's
See.
page up, page down, and home.
Wait. हाँ
मैं?
साथ
Wait, wait, wait.
स्टूडेंट डेटा लिखा है तुमने, उसके नीचे फाइल है.
Yes.
उसके नीचे देखो एक एंटी क्लॉकवाइज का एरो है. कैन यू सी दैट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एरो?
Yeah, this
क्लिक
one.
इनटू एंटी. या बस हो गया. अभी राइट, अभी शिफ्ट बटन को
Click
प्रेस
that.
ना, अभी कुछ मत करो, हो गया तुम्हारा, वापस आ गया डेटा. अभी क्या करोगे, तुम शिफ्ट को दबाओ और दबाए रखना शिफ्ट को. डोंट रिमूव योर फिंगर फ्रॉम द शिफ्ट की
Okay.
एंड देन प्रेस द राइट एरो.
Right arrow.
Along, both of them should work together.
Ma'am, the right arrow on the screen or the right arrow on keyboard?
On keyboard there are four
Keyboard
arrow
one.
keys. Right arrow,
No, I'm
left arrow.
doing that only.
Yeah it will work.
Nothing is happening.
It is happening. See again, continuously shift को press किए रखो और right arrow दबाओ और दबाओ और बस. ना
Ma'am,
stop.
nothing
Back arrow till 52 you have to.
Ma'am, it's selected.
Yes. Now down arrow.
Which shift?
शिफ्ट के साथ ही. हाँ with shift, along with shift, down arrow.
Yeah.
Stop. Now go to insert.
Ma'am, what are the age, height, and weight?
Just wait for a minute. Go to insert.
Insert. Okay.
Select chart.
Ma'am, can I share?
Chart.
Just a minute, Sarah. Chart.
I did chart.
Okay. Just wait for a minute. See, somewhere working has been written because it's an online
Yeah.
content. See, you have got the chart. If you want, you can change the chart type from right hand side. This thing. Okay.
This.
Now you can crop the chart and keep it in the place near to the table. Got it? How you can
Yeah.
create the chart? Is it fine with you, sir?
I should do edit chart and crop it.
No need. You can crop it as you do with your photographs in your mobile phone by arrows की मदद से इसको drag करके छोटा कर लेते हैं ना, बस वैसे कर.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah, like that.
Show me. Yes, like this. So got it? How you can create a chart in the spreadsheets? What, Sad? Happy or not? Understood or
Yeah.
not?
Now what should I do? Yeah.
This
yes,
is what we want to
yes.
do.
Now what
This
should
is
I do? Now
you have to
it
adjust the chart according to your table and anywhere it should look good ना. अभी तुम्हारे टेबल के ऊपर ही
Yeah, it
चार्ट
will
आ
good.
गया है. And now you can compare the ages and heights and weights of all the students of your class. Isn't it?
okay.
Good. Done?
Now I can close the tab.
Yes.
It's saved now. Now.
It's saved
Right.
by itself. See, last edited was seconds ago. That means it has been saved over there.
Okay.
Okay.
I should now.
Now you
I
can
can
leave.
close the tab.
But yes, you can leave also. Bye bye. Yes, Sarah, what you want?
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. Wait. I'm screen sharing. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I made this.
Sarah, I have just told Sad how to do everything. So you just practice that.
Here, then shift, right.
Yes. Down arrow.
This is the
Yes. Good. Stop. Go to insert.
ins-
Go to insert. Insert in the top. Yes. Choose the chart. Yes. Now adjust the chart by yourself. Done. So you know how to create a chart in the spreadsheets, right?
Yes.
So shall we leave now? Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.